Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, contemporary concrete and wood house, nestled within a lush tropical garden. Impressionistic, but with hyperrealistic details. Large, open-plan living space with floor-to-ceiling glass walls overlooking the garden and pool. Brown-toned outdoor furniture, sun loungers, and a daybed are positioned around a turquoise-green swimming pool with wide steps leading down into it. The house features a multi-level design with a rooftop terrace or balcony. Abundant tropical greenery, including palms, ferns, and banana trees, surrounds the house. Natural light streams through the glass walls, illuminating the interior and exterior spaces. A modern, contemporary home with a large, open-plan outdoor living area. The house is nestled within a lush, verdant forest, with large windows showcasing the surrounding trees. The exterior walls are a mix of dark stone and warm wood beams. The roof is a covered deck with a dark metal structure. The outdoor space features a large, modern fire pit with a concrete surround, surrounded by gravel pathways, lush landscaping, and outdoor seating. The outdoor furniture is dark, with wicker-style black chairs and a sectional sofa, complementing the design. A wooden deck extends out from the house, with more seating and the dining space, all merging gracefully into the natural settings. A large, modern house with a spacious, open-plan living space. A dark-stained, wide plank wooden deck flows seamlessly into the interior through expansive sliding glass doors. The interior kitchen and dining area are dark, sleek, with dark gray/black granite countertops and cabinetry, accented by warm-toned wood. The exterior is dark gray/black metal siding, with a warm, light brown wooden roof overhang. The deck has a natural, wood grain and is wet or recently rained on, with many rich, earthy tones. Green plants and ferns are strategically placed on the deck and in the garden, adding a touch of natural greenery. Landscaping elements include gravel and lush plants. A sprawling, modern tropical home nestled within a lush forest. Impressively detailed, hyperrealistic rendering. The home features dark, wood-toned exterior materials, large windows, and a multi-level design, seamlessly integrated into the surrounding, verdant landscape. A variety of tropical plants and ferns, vibrant green and deep jungle tones, fill the space, cascading down terraces and walkways. The grounds are dotted with comfortable outdoor seating, brown-orange sectional sofa, low seating, and occasional tables, placed intentionally amidst the foliage for relaxing and entertaining. Gravel paths wind through the garden and provide a contrast to the lushness. A modern, open-plan home with a large covered patio. The home is situated within a lush tropical garden, featuring mature palm trees and various greenery. The building is constructed using dark gray/charcoal exterior walls, with a warm wooden interior, visible through large glass sliding doors. The wooden decking extends out to a landscaped area, with steps leading down to a serene, reflecting pool. The patio features a comfortable seating area with a light brown sectional sofa. The landscape includes various plants, including larger palms, and smaller ground cover plants, and gravel pathways. Subtle lighting accents the garden and home at dusk or twilight. A modern, luxury home nestled within a lush landscape at twilight. The house features a contemporary design with dark, metal roofing, large windows, and a warm, terracotta-colored facade. A series of covered patios and decks extend outward, offering indoor-outdoor living spaces. The landscaping is meticulously maintained, featuring various textures and colors of plants, shrubs, and carefully placed gravel. A pathway of dark gray stone steps leads from the home down into the garden. Ambient lighting highlights the landscaping and home's architectural features. A modern, minimalist concrete home with a spacious outdoor living area. The home features a large, covered patio with a wooden pergola, showcasing a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The patio furniture is sleek and modern, with dark gray sofas, black metal frames, and a coffee table. There's a dining area with wooden chairs and a table. A modern fireplace is visible through large glass windows. The landscaping utilizes tropical foliage, palm trees, and other greenery. The colors are muted and warm, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere. A spacious, open-air patio area of a modern home, filled with lush tropical plants. A light beige and cream sectional sofa set, with wicker accents, sits on a light gray stone patio. Additional wicker ottomans and light brown wooden armchairs are scattered around the space. The area is well lit by natural light filtering through the open structure of the building, casting warm shadows. The house's interior is visible through sliding doors with light brown wooden shutters, showing more living spaces with a similar design aesthetic. The interior walls are a light stone/concrete color and are well integrated with the outdoor space. A modern, tropical-style home with a large, open-plan courtyard. The house features a sloped, wooden shingle roof supported by dark metal beams, and large windows that frame the lush greenery. The courtyard is paved with light gray square pavers, and bordered with raised garden beds filled with a variety of tropical plants, succulents, and ferns. Palm trees and other tropical foliage create a lush, verdant atmosphere. The house's interior is light and bright, with warm wooden accents in the kitchen and living area, which are visible through the large windows. A modern, open-plan, tropical-style house. Large L-shaped outdoor sectional sofa in warm taupe/gray linen fabric, teakwood frame, on a white plank reddish-brown wooden deck. The deck surrounds a modern, dark green-gray stone swimming pool with steps leading down into it. The house features a concrete ceiling with a slatted wooden pergola, and walls of light wood and concrete. Lots of greenery and plants, including potted plants and vines growing up the sides of the building. The interior flows seamlessly into the outdoor space. A dining area with light-colored chairs is visible. A lush, tropical garden surrounds a modern, dark wood pavilion with an expansive, dark-stained wood deck that extends over a koi pond. The pavilion features large sliding glass doors that open to allow the surrounding greenery to visually flow into interior space. The pond is dark, with ripples and splashes from the koi fish which are orange and red. Large, smooth, grayish-brown rocks are scattered throughout the pond's edges and within the garden. A small waterfall is cascading into the pond. The setting is a peaceful, zen-like garden area. A spacious modern outdoor patio area, seamlessly connected to a light-filled interior. The neutral color palette includes warm beige/tan tones, light gold lighting, for the interior and deck space, offset by dark gray/charcoal accents on the structure and furniture. Modern, minimalist furniture, featuring dark gray/brown lounging sofas, a light beige daybed, and a dark gray/black ottoman, sits on a light brown wooden deck. Large glass sliding doors offer expansive views into the interior, showcasing a warm, natural kitchen/dining area.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.